Hey, it's Brian from Mr. Ding and Dent, working on a 2012 Dodge Ram 2500. Got a dent in the left front fender. We're going to take care of it. All right, I just want to show some detail on the dent. I circled it for you. This is the impact area where the impact occurred from the dent, and the dent extends to here. This is the repercussion area. So that all needs to be fixed, not just this middle, but this outward area also. All right, we have this repair done on this Dodge Ram 2500. The dent is gone. Was right about here. We kept the factory paint. No new paint, no Bondo, nothing. Just simply paintless dent repair.
If you have any questions on any of the services listed, just give me a call. 262-359-1830.